Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? N power 3 over 2 equals 3 power 3 over 2. Now, let's factor out this 3 and the numerator of the exponent. So we have n power 3 times 1 over 2 equals 3 power 3 times 1 over 2. Now, if you have a power n times n equals a power n to the power of m, and also equals a power n to the power of n. So this 3 here is my n. This is my n. So I'm going to have n power 1 over 2 to the power of 3 equals 3 power 1 over 2 to the power of 3. Now, if you have x power 1 over 2, this equals square root of x. Apply that here and here. I will have square root of n to the power of 3 equals square root of 3 to the power of 3. So what we do is to move this over here. I will have square root of n to the power of 3 minus square root of 3 to the power of 3, and this equals 0. So right now, if you have a power 3 minus b power 3, this equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. And your a is root n and b is root 3. So applying this here, I will simply have a minus b plus root n minus root 3 times a squared root n power 2 plus ab root n times root 3 plus b squared root 3 power 2 equals 0. So from here, I will have root n minus root 3 times this cancel this, half n plus this times this, half root 3n plus this times this, I have this cancel this, I have 3 equals 0. So from here, I will equate each of these to 0. I have root n minus root 3 equals 0. I have n plus root 3n plus 3 equals 0. So let's solve these individual equations. For this, I move this over here. I have root n equals root 3. This cancel this. Half n equals 3. This is my n1. So for this, I move it over here and I move n over here. So what I'm going to have will be square root of 3n equals negative 3 minus n. I take the squares of both part of this equation. So what happens here is that this cancel this. Of 3n equals, I take the squares of this, negative 3 minus n times negative 3 minus n. So we expand. 3n equals, this will be 9. This is plus 3n. This is plus 3n again. This is plus n squared. So from here, 3n equals 9 plus 6n plus n squared. So from here, I move this over here. Of 0 equals 9 plus 6n plus n squared minus 3n. 6n minus 3n is 3n. Of 0 equals 9 plus 3n plus n squared. So let's rearrange this. have n squared plus 3n plus 9 equals 0. So this becomes a quadratic equation that we are going to solve for n. We solve it using the formula method. N equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. Our a is the coefficient of n squared, that is 1. B is the coefficient of n, that is 3. And c is the constant, that is 9. So from here, of n equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of, this is 3 power 2 minus 4 times 1. That's 9 divided by 2 times 1. So from here, I have n equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus this is 36 divided by 2. So from here, I have n equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of this is negative 27 divided by 2. So from here, I have n equals negative 3 plus or minus, this is square root of negative 1 times square root of 27 divided by 2. Now this is I, so we have n equals negative 3 plus or minus I times square root of 27. This is 9 times 3 divided by 2. So from here, of n equals negative 3 plus or minus I times square root of 9 times square root of 3 divided by 2. So we continue from here. We have n equals negative 3 plus or minus I times square root of 9, that is 3 times root 3 divided by 2. We have n equals, we factor all 3 over 2, negative 1 plus or minus I times root 3. So we have two complex values for n. N equals 3 over 2 times negative 1 plus I root 3. Also n3 equals 3 over 1 negative 1, 3 over 2 times negative 1 minus I times root 3. So these are the two complex values for n. Now we also have one real value for n, which is n equals 3, which you can insert into this equation. We have verify. We have n equals 3. We have n power 3 over 2 equals 3 power 3 over 2. So n is 3, so substitute 3 for n. Have 3 power 3 over 2 equals 3 power 3 over 2. So if you have a power x over n equals n root of a power x, apply that here. So it's just square root of 3 power 3 equals square root of 3 power 3. So this is square root of 3 power 3 is 27 or square root of 27. So guys, this is it. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you and goodbye.